Want to turn on Assistive Touch on your Apple Watch? By turning on this feature, you can control your watch with hand gestures without touching the screen. In this short video, I'll show you how to turn on Assistive Touch on your Apple Watch. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Method 1. Using Apple Watch. First, open up the Settings app on Apple Watch. Scroll down a little bit. After that, tap Accessibility. Scroll down again. Find the Assistive Touch feature. Tap on it. Now toggle it on. Method 2. Using the Watch app on iPhone. Grab your iPhone. Open the Watch app. Tap My Watch from the bottom. Now scroll down a little bit. Tap Accessibility. Scroll down again. Find the Assistive Touch feature. Tap on it. Now simply turn it on. And that's it. These are the ways to turn on Assistive Touch on your Apple Watch. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Take care.